Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to your first assignment, which is an introduction. And this is an introduction to hospitality and tourism class, so I thought it'd be fitting that this is one of the first items that we'll do. So I'm going to ask you to help me by introducing yourself. I'm going to go ahead and model the activity so that you can get to know me a little bit better as well. I'm going to ask you for your name, your goal or what you hope to gain from the class, and then your hospitality experience or knowledge. It could be as an employee, it could be as a customer, or as a critic. It's really important to me that I understand what your goals are for the class so that I can customize the class as we go so that you get the most out of it. And so without further ado, my name is Lisa Crone and I'm currently your adjunct professor here at Skyline College on this online class, Introduction to Hospitality. In addition, my day job, I am the Market Director of Human Resources for Marriott International. I support two properties, the Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay and the Ritz-Carlton San Francisco. So it's my honor and privilege to serve those ladies and gentlemen at each of those locations. My goal actually from this class is to inspire ladies and gentlemen such as yourselves to be able to look at career opportunities in hospitality and fall in love with it like I did. Nearly 28 years ago actually, I just completed my 28th year with the company. Super boring, been in the Bay Area my whole life. However, that was my choice to be close to family, and I really love that in this particular career I work with individuals that have traveled around the globe working in hospitality, and also I myself have stayed in one area, so you're able to have an opportunity to grow your career no matter what your geographic preference is. I'll share with you some experiences and knowledge throughout the semester. Certainly, I've shared with you my employment experience so far, and I should point out that I haven't been in human resources the entire time. I did work in a variety of operational positions for the first 13, 14 years of my career. As a customer, the easiest opportunities I can explain my experiences as a customer are dining, because a lot of us do that. So I'll be able to share a little bit about my experiences as a customer and a critic in those as we go. So now it's your turn. I look forward to hearing your presentations on your introduction. I'd love it if you could do a video so that I can get to know you. However, I'll accept also different formats as well, such as if you want to write it in the text box or attach a document. So I look forward to meeting you, and have a great semester. See you soon.